Hi there, Dr. Janice Powis, functional audiologist, meditation teacher, and creator of Mind Over Tinnitus. And first of all, I just want to thank you for being here. Tinnitus can not only cause frustration, but it can also cause a lot of stress. And sometimes you just want to find some kind of tool to bring some calm in the moment. And this is why I want to share this very simple breath work technique that you can use to bring some calm right into the moment. It's very simple, very easy. We're going to do it here today. So this whole video will be about 3 minutes. And I will also give you some guidelines on how to use this breath work technique outside of us doing it here today. So it's very, very simple. It's something called the box breathing technique, or the 4-4-4-4 breathing technique. Essentially what you're going to do is you're going to breathe in for 4 seconds, hold the breath for 4 seconds, release the breath through the mouth for 4 seconds, hold 4 seconds. So you're going to do this for as many times as you feel would be helpful. It could be as simple as 1 to 2 times. It really just brings you back into the present moment and back into a calm and into your body. You can do it for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, up to 15 minutes. You might want to work your way up to those longer periods of time, but 3 minutes is a good sweet spot to begin with. So that's going to be a good place for you to try it out anytime you feel like you want to bring some calm right into the moment when you're feeling tinnitus related stress. So let's go ahead and begin. So you just want to find a comfortable seat, and let's go ahead and take a breath in for 4 seconds. Hold, release, breathe in, hold, release, breathe in, hold, release. So it's simple as that. So give it a try anytime your tinnitus is really causing some stress. It will help to just calm your nervous system and make it much easier for you to focus and move and navigate through your day. Thank you for being here with me today.